The story of why my family first came to the New World begins with the attack on Malta, the last stronghold of a dying order of Crusader knights. This much is fact. My ancestor Morgan Black was with the Knights of St. John when they defended the island from Sahin and the Ottomans. The rest, well, like most family stories, it's hard to separate the truth from the legend.
Morgan, the Ottomans have landed. 1,000 Janissaries led by Sahin the Falcon.
Alain Magnan still commands the knights, and he says we must hold them at the beach. We'll make our stand here.
The Crusades are dead! Your knighthood is all that remains, a relic!
I'm not ready to die just yet, Falcon, and I don't intend to see our knighthood broken.
It is already broken, Morgan. Will you break with it?
Move the crossbow to the forward walls to attack the Janissaries. Defend the fort at all costs.
Yes? I will. Ready. Yes? Commander, yes. Ready. Lay on. Commandment. Yes. Commandment. Yes. I mean so. Yes. I will. I mean so. Yes. I will.
Shauch. I'm a picture. Collecting as many of these treasures as we can will give us more resources. Datordale. Nimi Kenjuhas.
Commandment. Yes. He whiz. I mean I will. I mean so. Yes. I will. I mean so. Yes. I will. I mean so. Yes? Yes. Ready. Commandment, I will.
Use the pikemen to attack the Ottoman cavalry. Shauch. Ni mission.
Yes, sir. He will. He made us so. Yes, lay on. He will.
Shishol. Be Kenjuhas.
Comandament, he made us so. EOS! Avanza! Yes, EOS! E1A1. Yes! E1A1. Yes! Avanza! Lion! Avanza! Yes, it. Lion! EOS!
My lord, the Turks are moving in the
Yes,
great bombards. How can we defeat them with pike and shot?
We can't. We need cavalry. We need to signal Commander Elaine and the rest of the knights. Get some settlers to the top of the hill to the west and light the signal fire.
Ready. Commandment E1A1.
Commandement E1A1. Yes, Håkaster.
The Franks are on the hill, trying to send a signal. Send a ship around their flank and attack those settlers.
Yes? Yes.
Morgan, the Ottomans are flanking to try and attack the settlers on the hill.
We'll have to hurry then. Get some men up the hill and defend those settlers. If they die, we die.
Ready.
Yes, E1A1.
We've done it! The signal
Yes.
fire is burning!
Forster.
Commandment, I will. I
More
mean,
bombards! I hope Elaine is on his way.
sir. Yes? Yes. Avance. Ready. He wins. Lay on.
Why is the signal fire lit? And why am I here, Morgan? I ordered it.
Lord, Sahin the Falcon is advancing with great bombards.
Well, the fog. That's my cavalry.
Excellent work, men. We have defeated the Falcon.